Hey Zach and Jesse, this is Mike. I'm over here at a 12 stall 250 kilowatt supercharger. It's right off of I-85, Interstate 85, just a little bit north of Montgomery, Alabama. It's located near in the Target parking lot, right along a service road. I would rate this supercharger an 8 out of 10 because it's close to Target, where you can have convenient free bathrooms, and most likely there's a Starbucks in there. And across the road you have a Texas Roadhouse, and then right down the street here, a very brief walk, there's an excellent barbecue. It's called Full Moon Barbecue. And then across the road you have I believe Chili's, if you like that. And then just a little bit longer walk, right back behind me you have Chipotle and a few other places. So in addition to that, if it's non-Tesla, there are 4 ChargePoint, you can see the 4 charge points located right here. We got one charging, I think it's a Honda plug-in hybrid. Well, now you know.